Hi guys, welcome to A1 Earning Tips. Now today this video is about how to buy minimum amount of BNB to get into a trust wallet. Okay, I have found a way through which we can buy very minimum amount of BNB and get it into trust wallet also. So if anyone has not joined in our Telegram channel and YouTube channel, please join in Telegram channel. The link is provided in the video description. If you could not go through the video link, you just search it in Telegram A1 Earning Tips. Okay, so this is our Telegram channel, so please join for all the updates. And see, we have daily campaigns and daily Paytm campaigns and daily giveaways every day. Okay, आज भी हुआ एक giveaway 40 rupees का. So everyone should join our channel and everyone participate in giveaways. Okay, every day we will have giveaway. So without getting late, let's get into the video. Before going to the video, let's just discuss about what is BNB and why do we need it. BNB, we all know that BNB is one crypto coin. Okay, uh, okay, then why do we need BNB? Yeah, why do we need BNB? We need BNB to purchase very small worth coins in trust wallet. Okay, as you all know, in Telegram I have forwarded so many crypto coins buying tricks. Okay, see, I'll show you. See, there were lot of coins coming where their value is less than 1 paisa. So to buy them we have only one source, and that source is PancakeSwap. Okay, and you all know how PancakeSwap works. It works completely on BNB. So we need BNB as a gas fee to convert some coins or to get some coins. Okay, so that is how we need BNB. So what all we can do with BNB? We can buy all these coins. See, I have kept it already in the group also. Today we bought Excel token airdrop, and we have also got Corki Doge airdrop, and we also got Ceylon airdrop coins and all. So these coins value are very low and very minimum now. But when they go for listing tomorrow, it will be huge value. So to buy them we need BNB. But as you all know, from minimum BNB we can get from. See, but you all know that we can minimum charges in all the Indian crypto wallets is very high. Okay, if you want to withdraw from Binance app, it needs at least 0.01 BNB to withdraw from the Binance app. 0.01 BNB is equal to 4,000 to 6,000 value, but we can't afford that much value. We only need 300 to 200 to 300 value BNB, and that too only to participate in the airdrops. Okay, the small airdrops which need only 10 to 12 10, which needs only uh, what 10 to 25 rupees worth BNB. So for that we can't afford 4,000 to 5,000 for withdrawal and charges and all. So I have found out a way from which we can even buy 300 rupees worth of BNB and get it into the trust wallet, and the process is also very easy. Okay, I think hope everyone is following me, and everyone is understanding what I am saying. Okay, yeah, the process goes like this. We need to have one new app called Faucet Pay. Okay, we need to have one new app called Faucet Pay app. Okay, we should have a registration in this app. So see, actually what we do means we'll take any one app like Vazirix or Jeppe or anything, one Indian crypto wallet app. In that crypto wallet app we will buy TRX and we'll send the TRX to here. Okay, we'll send the TRX from Vazirix to Faucet Pay. Okay, we'll send TRX from Vazirix to Faucet Pay. In Faucet Pay we convert it into BNB, and then from Faucet, and then we convert into BNB in Faucet Pay, and that converted BNB we withdraw to Trust Wallet. Okay, hope you understand the process. See, what we have to do first, we have to deposit INR in Vazirix. Okay, in Vazirix we need to buy some amount of TRX. Okay, from whatever TRX we bought in Vazirix, we will transfer it to Faucet Pay. In Faucet Pay there is an option to convert to swap TRX to BNB, and then that converted BNB we transfer it to Trust Wallet. Okay, for this all this process it will take around 5 trx plus 10 to 15 rupees charges. Okay, so if you are buying for the if you are buying to for the future purpose, buy it in 400 or 500 plus, so that you can save charges. The charges are same for I think till 1000 or so, the charges are same. Okay, so let's say 1 trx equal to 10 rupees, then you will buy 1000 rupees trx, then transfer it to faucet pay, then in faucet pay convert it into bnb, then take that bnb to trust wallet. So even if you spend 300 or even if you spend 1000 also, the charges are same. 5 trx charges goes in vagirex, and 10 to 20 rupees goes in faucet pay. So take accordingly, as per your budget you plan accordingly. Okay, so just a second. So first let us go and learn about the faucet pay registration process. Okay, see, faucet pay registration process goes like this. I'll provide this link in the description. Okay, I'll provide link in the description. You just click on that link, then you'll be redirected to this page. In this page you just click on sign up option. Okay, then in the next page you just provide these details. Okay, regular ones only, nothing special. Username, email address you just reconfirm, and password repeat, and you just click on terms and conditions and verify I am not robot. Okay, so this is basic registration process, you can go blindly. Okay, in the next page your account is successfully created. Okay, then you just have to confirm via email address. Okay, so you'll get an email, so you just need to confirm that email. That's it. Okay, so this is the email you have got, so you just click on this link to get confirmation. Okay, then your account gets created. Okay, just need to re-log in again, and you just need to re-log in, enter password, and sign in off. Okay, the basic home page will be like this. No, one more two-factor authentication will be sent to your email id. Okay, check your email id. See, two-factor authentication will be sent to your email, so you just reconfirm your identity using two-factor authentication, then click on log me in. Okay, so that's it. Then the home page will look like this. Okay, this is your home page. Okay, so this is all faucet pay opening registration process. Okay, then let's get into the details now, how to transfer and all. See, first deposit your INR balance here. I just now completed my deposit. The process is going very slow. You have they have added one more feature with MobiKwik wallet, so you can directly recharge through deposit your amount through UPI or wallet UPI also. So you can use it, like, let's say, you know the process, right? So you just have to go with the flow. You just enter amount here, and you can select MobiKwik and make payment. Okay, if you do not have amount in MobiKwik, in the next step through MobiKwik you select UPI option of Paytm, and through that also you can deposit. I did the same thing. Okay, hope you understand this process, you know the basics process. Then what I did, I have deposited around 300 rupees. Okay, so it went into some buying charges, so I have bought TRX 49 TRX, and the value is 297. We'll see how much value we'll get in BNB. Okay, see, currently I have 0.9409 worth BNB. We'll see how much charges will it go for transformation. So for that reason I have showed this page. Okay, okay, now the process is very simple. Go to TRX and click on withdraw here. Okay, and go to faucet pay now. Okay, wait, just a second. Go to faucet pay here, and go to home page, dashboard, user dashboard. Okay, click here deposit. As you can see here, click on deposit option. Okay, deposit. Now if you slide down, you could be able to see Tron. So see, this is TRX option. We have to deposit TRX here. Just click on this one, it get copy. Then go to Vazrex, paste this address, withdrawal. This is your wish. How many TRX you want to withdraw? Based on that calculation you do. Okay, So 5 TRX will go for charges. Okay, I already told you, for any transaction, for TRS transaction, charges of 5 TRX will go. Okay, so that's it. 5 we will get 44. Okay, in remarks you just enter something like faucet pay transfer. Faucet pay I am giving, you can give anything. Okay, then proceed. So this is normal process will be there. We have to do this process, so I'll skip this. It is getting lengthy. So I just completed the transfer process. What I did is that I just clicked on transfer, then it will ask for mobile OTP and then mail verification, and after that it will send it to this faucet pay. See, in faucet pay, come to user dashboard and see here, we have around 49 TRX in Vajrix. So 5 TRX went for charges, and now we have balance of 44 TRX in uh, faucet pay. Now the process is very simple. Observe carefully. Okay, go to withdraw option. Okay, not withdraw option, go to dashboard, then click on coin swap. Okay, then select here uh, what we have, Tron TRX. Okay, max, and convert to BNB Binance 20. So this option will be here. Okay, the last one, Binance BNB PEP 20. So click that one, max, make exchange. Your trade has been successful, please check your account balance now. So now go back to user dashboard. User dashboard. Okay, so see here, see it has arrived. We have got around 0.01036 worth of BNB. Okay, so this is converted now. Now what we have to do, we just have to transfer it to Trust Wallet. Okay, so just click on it. It will not go. Then click on withdraw. See here, withdraw, two types of withdraw are available. One is 4 hours withdraw and one is 5 minutes withdraw. As you all know, basically the difference is only charges. So they'll take some 5 to 10 rupees charges or somewhat. So if it is more urgent, you just place priority withdrawal 5 minutes one. Okay, mostly select this one. If you want to save some charges, then you go with this one. If it is not urgent, see, you should apply your mind when you are doing something. Okay, you do this transaction during night time. See, by morning it will get credited. You can do that way, or if you want to do it urgently, then you go with 5 minutes. Okay, now I have to show you the video, so I am clicking on 5 minutes. Okay, okay, just select here what we have, Binance PEP 20. Okay, withdrawal address. See, there is one more procedure to do here. We need to link our Trust Wallet address here. I already transferred for the first time, so I already linked the wallet address. So if you want to do, you have to click it here. So I'll show you. Click on link option, then nothing, you have to just add a Trust Wallet address. Okay, then name anything you can give. I just gave Binance Smart Chain as a name. Then coin, what is this coin? This is Binance BEP 20 coin from Trust Wallet. See, all this you can find it here. Just a second, I'll open Trust Wallet. See, in Trust Wallet you will find that address over here. Okay, receive, copy. Okay, always whatever you want to transfer, check this address as from first 4 digits and last 4 digits. This we can't check all these digits carefully. So every time you are transferring, you just check first 4 digits and last 4 digits whether the recipient is correct one or not. Okay, so I have already given these details and linked my address. Just a second. So in address you have to paste it. Yeah, paste that. Name, Binance Smart Chain, coin, what is this coin we are receiving, BEP 20, and click on link. So I have already linked, so I need not link again. Okay, I'm going back. So see, this is my address, 0xF1C, 0xF1C, this will be common. C4CD0, see, it is C4CD0, Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so this is my account. So how much I have to withdraw all? Okay, second, I have clicked up option. See, it is Bitcoin. It has selected Bitcoin. Now it has selected Binance. Now withdraw all. It will come. If it is not coming, you just enter manual 0.0103631036439. Okay, so this much goes for charges. We'll calculate how much it is afterward. 0.000031500. You'll receive this much BNB. Okay, so I'm just keeping on place withdrawal. You have successfully recorded your withdrawal request. It will be processed in next 5 minutes. You can also check the status here. See, last time when I did, it is completed immediately, and this time also it will take around 5 minutes, and after that it will get completed. Okay, so amount requested is this much, and this amount sent will be this much. Okay, amount sent will be this much, and the balance 0.003150 will be charges. Okay, so let's wait for 5 minutes and I'll show you how it appeared. See guys, in just 1 minute it has completed. I have got this trust wallet in trust wallet also, so I'll show you. See this status is completed here. Okay, now just go to trust wallet, bank. 0.94, now it is 0.9401. Now it changed it to 0.019458. Okay, hope you understand the full process. Okay, see, I'll calculate details now, just a minute. So guys, see here, we spent around 297 rupees for BNB. Okay, for buying BNB. So we finally got 223 rupees in our trust wallet. Okay, so the charges are 74 rupees are charges. As you all know, fight in this fight ERX goes in this Vagirex transfer, and remaining amount is in that conversion plus 5 minutes at emergency transfers. Okay, if you have did 4 hours regular transfer, the charges will be little low. So what I'm trying to tell is, I just invested 300 and got 74 rupees as charges. So if you have a huge amount like 500 to 1000 rupees, you just invest, the charges will be same. Okay, more or less it will increase to 75 to 100 rupees mostly, not more than that. If you buy from YouTuber, okay, if you buy from YouTuber, how much they'll charge, I'll show you lively. See here, for 100 rupees they are giving 75 worth BNB only. Okay, so if you buy 1000 rupees, how much they'll give, you just calculate. Okay, I'll show you. See, for 1000 rupees you will only get 750 rupees worth BNB. 750 rupees worth BNB only. So you are incurring 250 rupees as charges here. So if you buy from whatever trick I have said, you will only incur 75 to 100 rupees. Okay, hope you got the idea now. Okay, don't buy them, don't buy from them. If you have money, you just follow the process and get it from directly, you yourself get it from Faucet Pay. Okay, don't buy them. If you buy them, it is all loss for you. Okay, so buy for once and keep it for future. Okay, this kind of small coins airdrops will come in future every day, so you can use them. Okay, that is the only reason why I'm making this video, because many people asked me, Anna BNB unda evar dagrana, we have just a seller ani adigaru. So no need that, you can do it self, and you can uh, do all the airdrops whatever are available. Thank you. If you are not joined our YouTube channel, you just join, like, share and comment. Okay, every video I'm announcing a giveaway. Okay, I'll select a random commenter as criteria, and I'll announce winner every day at 7 p.m. Okay, so whatever video is there, please make full use of it. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind.